Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix character AI is not working on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem that your character AI is not working on your device, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, firstly open the settings app. From here guys, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then just simply go back, and from here simply tap on VPN, and from here guys you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there isn't connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then go back, scroll it below, and here tap on General, tap on Software Update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated, then update the first and then just simply scroll it below, and here tap on return time and make sure that your return time is correct and set automatically turn on. And then you have to just simply scroll up, and here you can see iPhone storage, so simply tap on it. From here guys, scroll it below, and then you have to just simply find the character AI. Here it is, so simply tap on it. From here guys, you have to just simply tap on offload the app, and after that offload the app and then go back and then open App Store and simply search here for character AI. Here it is. So from here guys, you have to just simply download and install the character AI again from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.